please hit that like button for me. Truly would be appreciated. Thank you.
Hello, everybody. Hello, hello. How are you? And welcome back to Passionately Intrigued Arts. If you have been here before, and if you haven't, welcome in for the first time. I truly appreciate you. I want to try another mango seed. I bought this mango before I left out of town. It was green. It was not ripe. I came back, and it has ripened, and even some of it has over ripened. So hopefully this seed will be okay. I am taking all the mango off so that I can eat this, and peeling away. I peeled it already, but trying to get rid of all the meat of it so that I can get to this seed and see if it is viable to begin to grow. It's juicy. Okay. You know, how do you really get it all off? I don't know. I guess I could. No, I'm not going to suck on it. Nope, I'm not. Cut it away as best I can, and then try to get to the shell so that I can get the seed out. Yeah, it's kind of overripe right here at the tip. So let me take it to the sink and scrape this under some running water and come back with a clean seed. I got off as much as I could. We're going to see how this works, but it's not feeling too good right here. Sheesh, I might have to do another one. So you cut along this edge real fine, I believe. One of these edges. See if I can get in here. I don't want to cut the seed. The seed that's inside. I want to get this shell cut. Let me see. Yeah, it's kind of flat right here. Get some pliers and see if I can get in there. Okay, of course I'm not prepared. Let me grab the pliers. But y'all see that? It looks like it's rotten right here. Might have to do this for the third time. The pliers when you need them. I don't know. So I'm going to use these wire cutters and see if I can cut this in and get in here. It's slippery, y'all. We operating. I got a screwdriver, flathead. If I can get in here, I can pry it open, I guess. Gee whiz. Is it this difficult, or I don't know what I'm doing? Probably the latter half. Okay. See if I can get in there. Wow. No luck yet. Doggone it. Okay, y'all. I'm having a little difficulty here. I don't want to cut the seed, but I actually don't think the seed is any good. Okay, maybe I can get in there. I think I got a little hole right here. Let's see if I can pry this joker open. Okay, it's coming open, y'all. There we go. Slow but sure. I didn't want to stick that screwdriver in there and pierce through the seed. I want to see what it looks like first. Oh, it ain't looking too good. I don't know. Oh my goodness. Get out of there. Okay. What we got going on here? There it is. I don't know if that's any good or not. I don't know. They say peel this little skin off. That's what I researched. But is it rotten? Y'all, is it rotten? What? I'm gonna put it on some wet paper towel. We're gonna see. I'm just gonna leave it like that. Okay. Let me get the wet paper towel, put it in a plastic bag, and go from there. A wet paper towel. I'm gonna wrap her up. Y'all see that little ugly thing? And see if it's any good. I'm not gonna throw this one away. I want to check it out and see if it does anything. In the meantime, oh yeah, I don't know. I peeled off some more. Look. Yeah, that ain't looking too good at all. Gee whiz. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna see if it sprouts. I'm gonna give it a go. Oh, it's kind of black. Can you use a mango and when it's ripe? I mean, not ripe, when it's green, and cut it open and use that seed, or do I have to wait until it ripens? I waited too long for this one, I'm assuming. All right, that's enough of that skin off because I don't want to do more damage than. Look at that. That's dead, isn't it? Maybe, maybe not. Give it a go. I done did all this work, so let me wrap it in this paper towel and put it in this plastic bag and wait it out. In the meantime, when I get a chance to get another mango, I'm going to get another mango. So here we have the compost, all of that nastiness. Pray for that seed. I just don't know, but I'm going to see if it does anything. I have wrapped it in a soaked paper towel and placed it in this bag. Now, I've been told to put it in the refrigerator, then someone says just sit it on a counter, a shelf somewhere. I don't know. Do I put it in the refrigerator, y'all, or what do I do? Or let me watch another video. And then I guess later on, I'll be eating this mango because this part is good and it is sweet and juicy. So thank you for watching. I'll keep you posted. I'll let you know whether it is viable or, you know, if the thing dies on me. Peace and love. We'll see you next time. Take care. Hit the like button for me, please. I would truly appreciate it. Hang in there, y'all. And take care of yourself. See you soon.